market simulation event which tested the participants' investing skills in various avenues, such as in an initial public offering, an initial coin offering, and trading in the market. The winners are as follows. The first prize goes to Modern School Basant Vihar, Shivansh Bajoria, and Ranveer Parthi. The second prize goes to DPS Mathura Road, Anvi Agarwal, and Harshit Jaiswal. The third prize goes to Air Force Bal Bharti, Akshat Guglani, and Saransh Jain.
Let's Get Trivial is a multidimensional quiz consisting of various segments testing the knowledge of the participants on different areas of commerce and finance. The winners are as follows. The first position was backed by Modern School Barakhamba Road, Pradyumna Arora, and Rahul Pandey. For the second position, we had a tie between Delhi Public School Mathura Road, Sophia Khan, Azmi Naik, and APG School Saked, Bhavya Mohindro, and Rudraksh Gaur. Similarly, for the third position, we had a tie between Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, Dev Goyal, Yashasvi, and Mayur School Noida, Ishan Anand, and Shreya Gupta.
Hasya Kavita was an online event held on the 10th of July 2021 that required you to make and present a humorous kavita on the topic of Jago Grahak Jago to help raise awareness amongst the consumers. The positions are as follows. The first position was backed by Modern School Vasant Vihar and the participant was Arnav Jain. The second position was secured by Sardar Patel Vidyalaya and the participant was Kuhu Bajaj. And the third and the final position was secured by Delhi Public School, Gurgaon, Sector 45 and the participant was Suchir Anand.
Improv Battle was an event in which the contestants were judged on their ability to think on their feet as well as their wit and humor. The positions for the event are as follows. The first position is held by Sanskriti School. The participants are Savinath Baduri and Mitesh Manu. The second position is held by Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. The participants are Devrina Gupta and Divyanshi. The third position is held by Gyan Bharti School. The participants are Tanya Chandola and Aikta.
The surprise event was a 2-day event which tested the participants' core concepts of commerce and knowledge about happenings in and around the world. The first round was a crossword and the second round was a game of Monopoly. 3 teams grabbed winning positions with rankings based on their total net worths. The first position was backed by Zaina Sharma and Rahul Agarwal from Modern School Barakhamba Road. The second position was held by Meherdeep Kaur and Janmejay Bakshi from DPS Dwarka. The third position was held by Bhavya Nayak and Yashvardhan Bhatia from DPS Noida Sector 30.
FinCrypt was an online treasure hunt requiring you to solve a number of puzzles in succession wherein you have to decipher and connect the given clues and hunt for an answer with the internet at your disposal. The positions are as follows. The first prize was backed by Modern School Vasant Vihar. The participants were Jay Vadera, Shivam Loyalka, Vansh Singh Virdi. The second position was secured by Delhi Public School Faridabad and the participants were Avi Chadda, Ishan Patni and Shivansh Gupta. The third position was secured by Delhi Public School Navi Mumbai. The participants were Nidhi Nerli, Pranay Girish Nayak and Sahana Ramachandran.
Comic Strip was an event in which the participants were required to make a consumer magazine using their imagination and creativity. The positions for the event are as follows. The first position is held by Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. The participant is Dhriti Gupta. The second position is held by Mayur School Noida. The participant is Divyansha Sachdeva. The third position is held by Delhi Public School Dwarka. The participant is Gaurika Agarwal.
Stand-up comedy was an event in which the participants had to write down a comedy set on their own and perform it. The winners are as follows. First position is held by the Air Force School. Participant is Arunav Sharma. Second position is held by Delhi Public School Noida. Participant is Japneet Singh. Third position is held by Modern School Vasant Vihar. Participant is Apurv Khanna.
Merger Mania is an event where the participants were supposed to produce a product or a service by merging any 2 companies provided to them by the list. So here are the winners. The first position goes to GD Goenka Public School Vasant Kunj and the winners are Ada Chawla and Varuni Agarwal. The second position goes to Delhi Public School Gurgaon, and the winners are Soumya Markotia and Venavi Singh. And the third position goes to Delhi Public School Jalandhar, and the participants were Ojas Arora and Saksham Arora.
The overall winner of the offline event is Delhi Public School, Navi Mumbai, Nerul. The overall winner of the online event is Sardar Patel Vidyalaya.
Thank you to all the schools for participating in Arthashastra and Confest 2021 and making it a huge success. We hope you enjoyed as much as we enjoyed hosting you. Hoping to see you all next year. Thank you.